Understanding spot reduction, the popular belief.
Spot reduction is the idea that you can lose fat from a specific part of your body, like your belly, by exercising that area. Many people believe crunches or similar moves will target belly fat. This belief is widespread, especially among beginners. But is it actually possible to pick where your body burns fat?
What science says about spot reduction.
Research shows spot reduction is a myth. When you exercise, your body draws energy from fat stores throughout your entire body, not just one area. Doing abdominal exercises will strengthen your core muscles, but it won't specifically burn belly fat. Fat loss happens more evenly, based on genetics and overall calorie burn.
How does fat loss actually work?
Fat loss occurs when your body uses more energy than it takes in, creating a calorie deficit. This causes your body to draw on stored fat for energy. You can't choose where fat comes off first. For most people, belly fat might be some of the last to go. Consistent exercise and healthy eating are
Effective ways to reduce body fat.
To reduce body fat, focus on a combination of cardio exercise, strength training, and a balanced diet. Cardio helps burn calories, while building muscle increases your metabolism. Eating plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains also supports fat loss. Gradual changes are more effective and sustainable than extreme diets or workouts.
Key takeaways for beginners.
Remember, targeting belly fat with specific exercises doesn't work. Instead, focus on whole body health through regular exercise and smart nutrition. Fat loss is a gradual process and different for everyone. Stay patient, be consistent, and celebrate non-scale victories like increased strength and energy as you progress.